Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sushma Verma and I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I am going to share my learning journey experience, how I improved myself. I am not fluent at English yet, but I am improving every single day. And I want to share how I am doing it actually. I used to think English is a very difficult language or skills, but then I realized it's just another skill, and the more we use, the more we improve. The more we use, the more we improve. It's not about grammar and accent. It's all about confidence, yeah, and daily practice. It's all about confidence and daily practice. Trust me guys, if you practice on daily basis, I have shared in day one videos that just practice with for 2 to 5 minutes on daily basis. Definitely you will see the changes and the improvement that you have gained. You will begin actually. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that are going to help in your learning English journey. Anyhow, that helped me. The tips and tricks that I'm going to share you helped me a lot in my case, in my learning journey. So I think it will be helpful for others if I share how I improved and what were the matters, what were the things that I used to do, and I actually do on daily basis. So the first thing is speaking English 2 minutes. Just practice whatever come in your mind for 2 minutes. And the second word, just read some books. Read books. Memorize a single word throughout the day. Single word with their Hindi meaning and correct pronunciation. How any by using Google dictionary. Think in English, but initially it is difficult to think in English. You can translate Hindi to English initially, but if once you are able to translate very well Hindi to English, then you start thinking in English directly. That is going to help you more. Just keep talking by yourself, whatever comes in your mind, keep translating. If once you are able to translate, then you will feel it by yourself that yes, right now I'm going to think direct in English. Trust me guys, it is a very tricky idea to improve yourself. And speaking with confidence, yeah, just watch my videos. I was not able to speak actually fluently and grammatically correct, but whenever once I start speaking, I just speak with confidence, and that matters. In speaking English, there's no any needed to speak correctly grammatically, but it's all about confidence. If you start speaking confidently, it is a boon of your learning English journey. Just keep building your confidence while speaking. And I know many people feel shy or afraid to speak, but remember, nobody speaks perfectly in the beginning. Nobody speaks perfectly in the beginning. When we were kids, we don't know about our mother tongue. How can we speak? How can any words pronounce? And our mother tongue we learn by listening and repeating, right? Likewise, we should work on our English. We just keep listening on some content on YouTube, podcast, conversational videos. That's going to work on in your speaking language journey. Yes, if you keep listening the English content, that is consuming in your mind, in your subconscious mind. And so the same methods works in English too. As we were kids in our childhood, we what we listen, we were able to speak that type. So likewise, what we will consume in English throughout the day, that we are going to learn. So just keep consuming English content, conversational videos, podcasts that are going to help you in your learning English journey. So guys, this is how I'm improving myself in English day by day. I also want you to start your English journey and start your YouTube channel. If you want to improve yourself, then that will be the great opportunity. If you start if you create your YouTube channel, that's how you will improve yourself, by observing and that particular videos that you are going to upload in your YouTube channel. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. And remember, keep learning, keep growing. That tips and tricks that I'm going to share, that I shared with you, just keep practicing like voice. Keep listening the things. First the things, keep practicing for 2 to 5 minutes. The second one is read some books. Remember one word meaning. Then what should you do next? Listening English content. Listen some podcast, English conversational videos, and translate your Hindi to English in your mind. Keep talking by yourself initially, and then start thinking in English. That are the content you can improve yourself. So thank you guys. Bye bye.